Are your apps not working because of the Fbios library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. This DLL file is a third-party library used by system utilities to interface with the computer's BIOS. It allows software to read hardware identifiers, check sensor data, and manage low-level system configurations. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Hardware Firmware to restore the Fbios library DLL safely. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Fbios library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Keep in mind that the Fbios library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing the Fbios library dependencies. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got hardware firmware working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.